Welcome to Buy Spares. In this video we will show you how to replace the thermal cutout on a built-in oven. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. The thermal cutout is a safety feature which is designed to cut out if the oven gets too hot. If the thermal cutout has failed, there will be nothing working or no power going to the element. The appliance needs to be removed from the work area to gain access to the top, where the thermal cutout is located. The first thing we will do is remove the top panel. There are 6 screws holding the top and back panel on, with 4 at the top and 2 at the back. We can now see the thermal cutout located here. Take a photo of the wires at this point to ensure they go back correctly. Remove the screws holding the cutout on. Refit the new thermal cutout, remembering to use the photo you took earlier to reconnect it correctly. Then put the panels back on. Turn the thermostat to ensure the light comes on in the oven, and check the oven heats and the thermostat cycles, turning the indicator light on and off. And there we have it, one new thermal cutout replaced. For all the spares you need, visit the Buy Spares website.